everybody. My name is Lisa Blackstone. I'm with the Horse and Rider Club. We are all very familiar with how important it is to have insurance on your home, how important it is to have insurance on your cars, all your vehicles. Well, it's just as important when it comes to liability coverage with your horse. Now, I know some of you may be assuming that if you own a horse, your homeowner's insurance is going to cover any problems if someone is injured and there is a claim against you as the horse owner and the property owner. Well, it's not necessarily the case, and it's very important that you find this out. If this is a non-business activity, your horse ownership, then maybe the homeowner's policy covers it. However, like with some policies excluding dog bites, other policies may exclude injuries due to horses. So it's important that you read your policy to make sure that you are covered in the event somebody gets injured on your property with your horse. You can't imagine all the things that can happen. Even if you just have a little pony in the background and your kids play with her all the time and the neighbor kids come over and somebody gets kicked or bitten or something like that, believe me, you're going to wind up in a lawsuit, and the better insurance coverage that you have, the more likely you are to keep the assets that you currently have. Now, what if that horse is taken off the property? What if your horse is at the showground somewhere and a third person is injured? Not you or your family members, but another person, and it's not your property. Is that covered? There are just an assortment of situations you can imagine that require that you have liability insurance on your animals. Now, if you are using horses as a business, I mean, if you're teaching any kind of riding lessons, even just a handful of riding lessons, if this is considered a business, then you absolutely must get liability insurance coverage, because that will not be covered under your homeowner's coverage. I can't emphasize this enough, because what seems to be a nice little hobby for your daughter or your child to enjoy could wipe you out financially if you don't have the proper coverage. And horses, unlike, say, bicycles or skates, are considered a higher risk. They pose a higher risk of injury to others. So please look at your homeowner's insurance. Make sure that you are covered. If you are not, talk to somebody who specializes in liability insurance for horse owners. There are plenty of them out there. I hope this was beneficial. If you would like to see 20 more videos very similar to this one, go to my site at horseridingvideos.org. Sign up on my homepage there, and it will take you to a page that has 20 more videos that you can watch and enjoy. Thanks.